One more point, like uh, when a boy chooses his career, it is responsibility. Everyone appreciates that. But when a girl chooses her career, everyone says, "What about family?" And this is very crucial topic. Like whenever a girl after marriage come to the in-laws house, if she is saying that I want to do job.
Guys, this topic is not for discriminating any gender. I'm again repeating, excuse me. This topic is not for discriminating any gender. You have to highlight points whose life is more complicated, whose life is more struggling. But you guys are targeting individually on gender. Arey, cab sir will be jailed if you do like this.
Taking dowry, after that father will not be.
If you are talking about dowry, okay, you have a choice. You can complain about the boy. And who pays the alimony? Who pays the alimony? Tell me. Who pays? Let me complete. Let me answer your question.
And who is the region of safety? You boys.
Wait.
Because girls are not safe. Girls are not safe because of you. Your thinking, your society.
But wait a minute.
You made this rule.
Let me complete. You are promoting night out. You are asking girls to go. I am refuting all of points. You said freedom of safety, freedom of traveling, night out. If you are promoting night out, then how can you expect this freedom?
Exactly.
What kind of freedom are you asking for?
Yes. Welcome everybody in today's rebuttal session, guys. What do I mean by rebuttal here? A rebuttal session is all about counter argument. Here we have to refute and refuse the claim that a person will be presenting here before the people here in this auditorium. So I welcome you all in today's rebuttal counter argument, everybody. We have decided the topic, whose life is more complicated, or I can say whose life is more struggling, everybody. Well, these people are damn emotional people, and they think and they thought that girls are more complicated and girls' life is more struggling. Is it so, guys? Yes, sir. Are you a girl? Are you? You're part of girl? Are you okay? You're supporting girl, right? Everything is okay? That's fine. All right. Okay, fine. So, and here these people are, sakt lavanda kind of, right? But abhi pighal jayenge sakt lavande, right? So, should I invite you all here now? Yes, sir. A very first personality here from this team, of course, quite experienced Mahila of this World Talk, Miss Palak. Please come to the stage. And of course, quite experienced captain of Prime Batch and of course many batches, Mr. GK. Please come to the stage. And of course, quite co-captain of Prime Batch, Mr. Hamza. Please come to the stage. So these actually, handsome and beautiful person here, you can see. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
You must be okay. So how do you feel sitting with me today?
It's been a great moment sitting with you because sometimes we get this moment sitting with you. So it's great.
It's great. Yes. Should I thank you or you should thank me?
I should thank you. We should thank you. Yes.
That's beautiful. So these people, have come from other countries or maybe other states, right?
Yes, sir.
They have come with a motive. The motive is boys' life is underrated. Yeah. Boys' life is underestimated. Boys' life is undervalued. And that is why boys' life is more complicated. Do you think so? I'm asking yes and no.
I don't think so.
Hey Didi, do you think so? Do you think so? No, sir. So a person has to say something so that I could call other people from this team who would like to say something in a rebuttal. Please.
First of all, thank you very much, sir. And thank you very much, everybody. I'm Jitendra Kumar. I want to share my opinion that I am supporting that girls' life are really more complicated as compared to boys' life. Because if we talk about the freedom of a girl's life, freedom, freedom of earning money, freedom of being independent, freedom of traveling, exploring the world, the freedom of quality education, the freedom of making decisions. There are so many kinds of freedom, even a single freedom that girl cannot go out of their house or their room.
Point to be noted, everybody. Of course, come on.
And the freedom of night out. Girls will always live, yes, girls will always, every day girls will live in her house up before, after 7 p.m. And boys can go night out at 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., anytime.
What
a
kind
whole
of thing
night.
are you promoting? You are here, in front of
No,
national,
it's just a
national
point.
YouTube channel actually, and you are promoting night out here.
No, it's just a point.
Talk, talk
it
meaningfully. It means girls want night out.
No, sir.
You are promoting business
no,
thing.
no.
What is this?
No, no.
What is this? No.
It's
So
about freedom.
He can say night
No,
out.
no.
Okay, point to be noted. Point to be noted.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
Of course. But point to be noted. It's a very negative term. Yes. Yeah, please go ahead.
Freedom of safety. The bad element of society are every time visiting in the society, and those bad element are man. Even a single girl can't feel safe within two boys. And if a boy is living around the girls, he will be safe completely. Is this not a kind of freedom, discrimination? I want to say we need to think about freedom of girls. Thank you very much.
That's fine. We will just, have a counter question after some time. I will not be having, they will be having, but after you all, your opinions.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity to present our views about the girls' sacrifice and their, their part in society, how people actually judge them. So, I would like to raise some points. First of all, as JK very well explained, I would like to add some points in that also. Yeah, talking about, let's start from the foundation itself.
He looks complicated, by the way.
Let's,
Yeah, exactly. Boy's life is more complicated, and he looks complicated. Live example we have.
No,
sir, it's not about like that, sir.
The point is actually,
Of course.
the points are
It does not
Points are
mean
emotional.
whether I'm
The points are
complicated
emotional.
or
If that's
I'm
why-
not. I'm supporting. No problem, sir. You can come and we will rebuttal. So yeah, so talking about from the foundation itself, coming out of home, girls are being judged from the society, from the family itself.
Oh.
Where are they going? With whom they are going? What they are wearing? And how much time will they stay outside? Isn't it concerning?
It is.
They have to, it's not a part of routine. They have to make millions of calculations while coming out of home.
Shame.
How will they travel? With whom will they travel? And how will they spend their time outside? They all being judged. And also, outside people, the society, look at them and they stare at them. They judge them. What this girl is wearing. They don't even have the freedom what to wear. They don't even have the freedom to raise their voice for themselves.
Oh my God.
It is being compelled to them, it is being compelled for them, you have to wear religious attire.
Yes.
Isn't it like that, sir?
It is, yes.
Isn't it discrimination?
It is.
So coming to the second point, let's talk about education. These girls are being educated, their family members, they educate these girls just to the level of 12th or graduation itself.
Yeah.
Why? They think that if girl will study further, she will go and look for a job. And if she will go for a job, we have to manage her marriage and all that. Means their parents also, their parents itself, the society itself create a pressure on the girl. You have to manage to this certain level, you have to study to this certain level and go marry. And in that also, talking about marriage, it's a great pressure on parents. When a baby girl is being born, they have a great pressure of dowry. Sir, if I quote, we have seen a lots and lots of cases of female infanticide and female feticide.
Yeah.
Every day, from the history today to today itself. Female feticide and female infanticide.
Yeah.
Why the female child, girl child is being killed based on the gender, and why not boys? It's not about killing. I'm not saying boys should be also killed. It's not like that. I am saying why the girls only being killed. Why there is discrimination? Why there is gender biasness within the society, within the parents?
No, girl's life is really complicated.
It's really much complicated.
Yes.
And when they touch the puberty, they have to go through menstrual cycle for 20-30 years of their lives. And after that, they have to go through the pregnancy, the delivery pain.
Point to be noted, everybody.
Point to be noted. This is the point to be noted, sir.
Yeah, we'll tell you.
So I think I have taken much time.
Thank you so much.
Can I add little points, sir?
Oh, please go ahead.
Actually, as Hamza told us, the life of a
Hamza.
Hamza
Za.
told the point of girls. You know, sir, when we have a child, girl in our family, we don't want one more girl in our family. But when we have a boy, we want boys. And we celebrate for it.
My goodness.
Is this not discrimination?
Don't make me emotional, please.
Thank you.
Yes.
Good
Palak.
morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk on girls' problem. Like my first point is, girls judged more on appearance than ability.
Oh.
Why I am saying this? In interviews, social media, and even our daily lives, comment like she's beautiful. No one is saying that she's skilled. Like girls are going somewhere for interviews, for in a marriage, anywhere. So no one is talking about their skills, their behavior, their etiquettes. No one is talking about that. They judge girl like she is beautiful or not. She's fair or she's black.
Of course.
She's short or she's long. She's like
Captivative or not?
captivative or not. She has scars on her face. This is a very bad thing. How can she has a scar on her face? And I must say that this should be not happen. You have to judge a woman by their skills, not by their appearance.
Exactly.
One more point. My second point is social restrictions. Like, don't sit like that. Don't talk like that. Don't speak loudly. Don't raise your voice. Why we do this? I want to counter boys.
Of course, yes. Poochta hai Bharat.
Yes. Whenever boy go for a marriage purpose,
Yes.
they are like, she's very beautiful.
Yeah. What kind of this?
Like, they never, they are always asked, do you know household works? Do you know how to manage a family? They never ask even a single time, do you know how to manage your career?
Oh my God.
And if you are not, I will teach you how to manage a career. I will support you how to manage a career, how to be independent.
Of course.
Girls will teach you.
Girls will teach you.
That's all. Thank you.
Very nice. Oh my goodness. Really, girls are so complicated. Yes, sir. Exactly. So, but don't worry, they have noted everything. They will have a rebuttal with you. Yes, how many people would like to come and encounter? Prashant, please come. Nitish, please come. Kaf, please come. So, I welcome you, Mr. Prashant, Mr. Nitish Kumar, and of course, my synonymous Mr. Kaf. Excuse me, you are complicated.
No, sir. We are just talking
Mr.
about
GK's point was on night out. How do you react?
Like freedom, sir.
Okay, now listen.
First of all,
Greet with people.
thank you so much, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. It's just infallible, I can say, for me. And thank you so much, everyone. I'm gonna give a rebuttal to one of my panelists. I would like to refute all his points, just giving one answer. He said that we should promote night out. If you are promoting night out, then
I
how-
didn't say
Wait a minute.
only night out.
He gave you time. He gave you time. He gave you time.
If you are promoting night out, then how can you expect safety traveling?
Oh
How can you
my
expect
God.
freedom? How can you expect that?
And who is the region of safety? You boys.
Pub, wait.
Because girls are not safe. Girls are not safe because of you. Your thinking, your society.
But wait a minute.
You made this rule.
Let me complete. Let me complete. You are promoting night out. You are asking girls to go. I am refuting all of points. You said freedom of safety, freedom of traveling, night out. If you are promoting night out, then how can you expect this freedom? What kind of freedom are you asking for?
Yes.
What kind of freedom is this?
Means girls themselves want to be molested. Girls themselves want to be harassed.
You are-
Night out. What do you mean by that?
wait,
Chilling out in the night,
Wait.
drinking wine.
You
A
are
night out. What do you mean by night out here?
I want to ask this question.
I have a question. You are fetishizing girls. You are asking them to put on short clothes and go and do something, whatever they want.
So you are
What
saying,
about
you are saying, if girl is going out, so you have the that is what we say, that you have that privilege to right to molest a girl.
I'm not talking about going out. I'm talking about night out. Don't
Night
misunderstand.
out is
listen,
not.
Listen, listen.
Night out is not in a
Don't
term.
misunderstood night out by
Night out is not
going
in a
out.
term of smoking, drinking, and all of these things, guys.
Can you please explain night out?
Oh, now
I am
explain
saying,
it to
sir.
me.
I am saying, sir. If a boy is freely able to walk on the roads without fear, why girls can't?
That is fine. Give me my. Mr. GK's point was that for night out. He could have said that boys are able to go outside in the night, but girls are not able to. But he said the night out.
He said that girls are not supposed to go
May I?
for a night out.
Okay.
For a night out. But and one more. I guess you have spoken. Let me finish.
Yeah,
Let me
exactly.
answer your
Of course,
point.
of course.
And then the who said, yeah, GK said girls are like not like family members. If there are many women, girls, they are not supposed to have so many, girls. In that situation, who has the burden of a girl? Who has the burden? Boy! Father! Father is expected! Father is expected to manage her study, marriage, safety. Who is
Stop
concerned
taking
about-
dowry.
Let me
After
complete.
that, father will
And
not be.
if you are talking about dowry, okay, you have a choice. You can complain about the boy. And who pays the alimony? Who pays the alimony? Tell me.
Okay,
Who
over.
pays? Let me complete. Let me answer your question.
People can talk. Wait, sir. Relax. But one disclaimer, guys. This topic is not for discriminating any gender. I'm again repeating. Excuse me. This topic is not for discriminating any gender. You have to highlight points whose life is more complicated, whose life is more struggling. But you guys are targeting individually on gender. Arey, Cap sir will be jailed if you do like this. Exactly.
Sir, and you are talking about dowry. In that dowry situation, who is supposed to pay the dowry? Tell me.
Okay.
Girl or girl? Father. Tell me. Who is supposed to pay the dowry? Wait a minute.
Sir, answer, sir. No, sir.
You have raised this question.
If you raise voice,
Sir, I have the answer.
I can raise the voice.
They are answering right now. This is what rebuttal is. They have to answer. You have to note the point and then answer back.
And at the same, one more. You are saying the girls are supposed to put on a good clothes, a religious clothes. Then you, at the same time, you are expecting safety. It means you want girls to put on short clothes and go.
Oh my
What the hell?
Oh my
What
God,
hypocrisy? See the hypocrisy level. What is it? And you are talking about the education. You are living in a modern society, okay? Get out of this.
Wait,
I mean,
wait for a
get,
while, sir.
get out of this like comfort zone and narrow-minded, infantile notion. Oh, everyone has access of internet. Girls don't want to pursue the higher education. They have the internet of access. You can go on any website, pursue your higher education. What are you talking about? Marriage.
You should give chance to other people as well. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'll give you. Yes. Nitish Kumar. Any answer, please? Yeah, Hamza's points, Palak's points. Yeah.
Palak has told, I am the Nitish Kumar from Madhvani, Bihar, and good morning to all of you. Thank you so much for having me this wonderful opportunity. I am going to tell the point of Palak. She has told that girls are judged by appearance, not by the ability. Can you judge a bike with appearance, yeah, with the engine of the power of engine?
No, it's not your time. I will give you time. Yeah. Is there an answer? You should note the point. I will give you. I will.
First of
You can
all-
write. It's a point. No, we will.
You had
I know. If it is a disrespect, I will suspend him. I will suspend him if he disrespects. But somewhere he's right. But we have to listen to the complete statements. Keep on writing if you want to answer back. Yes, please continue.
We want bikes because it has the power, because it can run more, it gets mileage more. That is why I say the bike. I don't go on the appearance. That is why I'm telling we do not see the girls by the appearance.
But you need to understand here Palak said judgmental comparison. A person looks at a girl not on ability but facial expression, beauty of a girl in interview. What is engine here? Now you should answer.
Sir, I am saying that he's saying engine must be good. So this is the ability. Appearance is outer ability of bike, but appearance is inner of a bike is engine, how it should work. You are just sir, what are you saying? Just mind it also.
In interview it is judged. In interview it is judged. Why they judged? Because if you are going for airlines, there is the criteria and they will see.
I'm not talking
If
about
you have
airline.
the ability, if you have the ability, go in the corporate sector job, your skills will work there.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Air hostess training has no ability? What is he talking about? What is he talking about? Shame! He is underestimating the power of God's air now.
The first thing is that in the
If you have,
don't have the ability, go to other sector.
yes, he's saying, no, he's saying if you have ability, he's saying if you have ability, then go in corporate sector. Otherwise, if you are beautiful, then go in air hostess. He said that. Shame on you. Shame on you. He said that. He said that.
Let me rectify.
If you
Let
are
me rectify.
able, then go in corporate sector. What do you mean by that?
If you-
Shame on you, man. You should say sorry to the people.
First
Say
one-
sorry to the people.
That is manipulated, sir. I told if you have only ability, if you have only ability, because in the air hostel you must have the beauty.
You must have both
I am
things.
talking about air hostess, sir.
I
Is
am
I am talking about only air hostess.
only air hostess. In air
I
hostel,
also talk about marriages. Give me the answer in that
Managers.
sector. Marriages.
managers.
Marriages.
For managers.
Just hear it out.
Marriages.
See, I have written the points. He said that people judge girls by the outer appearance.
Yes, sir.
Arey, look at her ability. Why do you always judge a girl by outer appearance? She's asking that. She's making point on everywhere. It's not about only air hostess or aviation. It's about marriages too.
It is marriages.
Yes.
Let me answer from air hostess to marriage. If you are going for airlines for air hostess, the beauty is necessary the first thing and priority. And the priority is beauty. Your ability will work as the secondary. But when it comes to marriage, your
Sir, can I just counter you in air hostess?
tell.
The outer appearance is our looks, like presentative. You are more like approachable. If you are going somewhere, just you are just getting up, woke up, and after that without shower, and you are just going like that. without shower, taking shower, and you are just the clothes you are wearing last night you are wearing in the, can you just go in the meeting with in pajama? Can you go?
That is the common sense.
Oh, common sense. That
the
is common sense.
Where should we go and why should we go?
Should not be like this. Debate should be to the public. Talk to public. Say from here, say she. From here should say he. He is saying like that. Tell to the public. It's a rebuttal counter debate.
Sir, let them not ask them to not to speak. They had ample amount of time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's our time to
Exactly.
rebut.
Yes, yeah,
And I
exactly.
would like
But he was disrespecting girls here. I couldn't tolerate that. I couldn't tolerate that, of course. Yeah. No, one second.
You
Yeah.
can't force. He will
Exactly.
say sorry. You can't force him to say sorry.
By the way, continue please. Any other point for Palak or Hamza?
Any other point?
On the Hamza's point, he was telling about the education. Girls are not getting the education as much boys are getting. They are not getting the chance. Because we have implemented the women empowerment. And that is the unrealistic data. Girls are not getting the chance. That is the first
So
thing.
you are supporting women empowerment, right?
Yes, sir.
It means why is there women empowerment? Of course, exactly. Girls are complicated. That's why women empowerment is there. Why is there empowerment? Why is there women empowerment? It means they're weak. It means they are complicated. That's why they are being empowered.
It has been. Now it is not eradicated. And now it is not complicated. It has been already.
What?
Women empowerment.
Exactly. I don't. Yeah, come on.
I am asking, it has been, not it is being.
Kev?
It has
Kev, wanna
been.
speak?
I would like to answer Palak question about judgment. Okay, so you don't want to be judged. At the same time, you want to fantasize yourself. You want to show yourself that I do look good. This that. What kind of wait. You don't want to be judged, right? You don't want to be judged. But at the same time, you are fantasizing yourself, your appearance. I'm not saying you should be judged, but at the same time, and wait. You said that she said that why do girls have to put on good clothes? By they are not looked by the skill. They are not judged by the skill, but by appearance. If you go for any interview, you have to be professional. You can't just go like put on any clothes and go. Girls are not
Sir,
judged.
first of all, I'm not talking about clothes. I'm talking about beauty.
Yes.
And I mentioned about face scars, about hair, about height, about everything. So answer me according to that.
Not only in this case that not only the girls are judged for this, boys are also judged.
What about also here?
I mean, like,
Don't please mention
okay.
also.
If a boy, let's suppose, he has lost his hair, he's a bald, then what do people say? I mean, what do people say? He's a bald man, he's an old man, he's getting old. He will not marry. What about that?
Nobody marries.
If a boy is short, then about that. If a boy is black, then what about that? Everyone is judged.
In these cases,
I mean, yeah. Relax. You will come.
I want to answer Mr. Prashant Kumar. He attacked me that the responsibility of dowries are taking boys. And now tell me that how many times we have heard that a boys attempt suicide because of dowry? How many times?
Oh, we have heard.
Okay.
After his statement, yeah.
He's saying that boys are taking responsibility of girl so that they can get married to her for others' house and all. You are not able to make them capable. That's why you are collecting dowry and money. It is your responsibility. It's the responsibility of the father, of the mother, of the parents. You are not making your child capable like that. And you are saying that we are taking the responsibility of dowry. So because of harassment, extortions, girls are attempting suicide. I have so many examples. Can I share? Of course. Tirupur, Tamil Nadu, June 2025. 27 years old, Ridhanya died by suicide after 78 days of marriage by extortion, harassment and torture. And one more, I want to say that Chennai, Tamil Nadu, 2025, 27 years old, Lageswari After 4 days of marriage, she attempted suicide because of demanding of the gold. Father didn't attempt suicide. If father are attempting suicide, then we can think the pressure, depression of that girl, the daughter of that father. How pessimist they are, sir. I discussed about 7 p.m. after, and they are thinking about drinking of night out. How pessimist, negative thinker they are. We were talking about education, they didn't raise voice about that.
Yeah, they are raising up.
We were talking about decisions making, they didn't say about that.
They are talking about ability. They are not talking about that.
We were talking about girl safety, they didn't say anything about that.
Shame.
Should I answer?
Sir, every day, National Crime Report Bureau used to say that every day, at least 20 girls are attempting suicide because of dowry. Yeah, please.
No, please. One second.
Who did this?
No. One second. No. Wait. Now they can't tolerate the point which will be spoken here now. Please tolerate, please.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I would say, as he said that the girls commit suicide because of the dowry pressure.
Yeah.
So he's saying the father did not commit suicide. Exceptions are always there. There you may see. Wait. Let me complete. Father, he has to go through more. You may see.
Exactly.
But you are not giving the example of father. Every day a father commits crime.
Of course.
Give up his life.
Yes,
Because of his pressurized.
Yes.
All the time he has to give a dowry.
Exactly.
And about your,
Because of whom he is.
Before marriage, a father dies.
of course.
Just because of the
I
pressure.
take that example. Some of the cases, fathers are also dying. But
Many
most of
cases
the-
you should say.
Not some of the main, most of
the cases,
95%,
most of the cases.
95% of the time father they suffer. Yes, of course. You don't. Listen. Men's voice are not, talked about, okay? Their voice is always suppressed.
No, sir.
They are not sympathized. People do not sympathize with the men.
Sir,
They say men are expected to be strong.
who said you to be strong?
Let me complete.
Who said you? This is your own mindset.
I gave you time, right? You had a time. Men are not supposed to be pussy animals. They are not supposed to be weak. That's the reason they committed crime. It is not displayed. It is not shown. It is not covered.
Exactly. At least a girl can cry.
Of course, men are not supposed to cry. Their voice is hushed.
Okay, may I? The Prashant
Girls
Kumar
have a
said
freedom
that.
to educate themselves.
The Prashant Kumar said that man cannot cry.
Of course.
Have you ever seen a man crying? Have you ever seen? First of all, tell me.
Because they are complicated.
Their life is complicated.
It is. No. I am telling you. First of all, why man will be stronger everywhere? Why? It is your mindset. Girls are being stronger. Girls are being kindness. Girls are being polite, and they are living their life. But you have chosen to be stronger. What kind of this? Nobody can be perfect. Listen to me. Nobody can be perfect. And still you are trying to be the perfect.
Wait a minute.
That's why you are destroying yourself. It is your decision to be strong.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Last rebuttal.
Sir,
Last rebuttal.
wake up and smell the coffee, okay?
Do
Men
first
are expected-
yourself.
I am.
No, you're
I'm
not.
already- I know.
You're
Men
not.
are not supposed to be like, as I said, weak, pussy animals. What are you saying? Girls are weak.
Okay.
What are you saying? Girls are not weak. How can you say that? Yes, we don't say. Have you seen any man crying? Because they are not. If a man is crying, oh man, what are you crying? Exactly. You can't handle your family.
sir,
You can't handle
sir.
pressure.
According to, see, the topic says that who is more complicated here. A boy doesn't cry, he internally cries. A girl can at least cry and express herself. But a boy, a father is not able to.
A boy body
Sir,
is like
The upbringing of a boy. The upbringing of a boy. Like there is a Hindi line that लड़के रोते नहीं हैं. We implement this thing into the boy's mind that you have to be strong. You have to be.
How complicated they are.
Wow.
Sir, Let me finish. Let me finish. Let me finish. I'm saying that we are implementing. Girls are more emotional, but we every time we see that boys are more logical. Why? Is we are saying to be logical? No. You can be emotional. We are okay with that. It's your call. You are not being emotional by yourself. It's your insecurity that if someone is you being insecure, you are being emotional, so someone is pointing out on you. It's your insecurities.
At the same
Sir,
time, at the
sir,
same time,
sir,
wait.
sir.
At the same time,
Sir,
you are
it is
saying,
like
wait. I have
it is
question.
like-
At the same time, you are expecting a boy to be stronger from the very young age.
we are not
Right?
expecting.
You are
sir.
crippling him, right?
We
You
are
are
not
crippling.
expecting.
The word itself defines that boys are complicated. You used the word insecurity.
Yeah, insecurity. Yeah.
This word itself, defines that boys are more complicated because we are insecure.
Sir.
You mentioned not because of insecurity, you are not crying, you are
Sir,
not crying. So it means we are complicated here.
First of all, who made this rule? That boy will go to earn money. Who made this rule? Society. And who?
Women, they
Women?
make it.
Women?
Women.
Women.
Of course, women.
First of all, stop. Women.
Wait a minute.
No women.
Wait a
The
minute.
5 member of the society, men are the 5 member of the society to decide the future and the decisions of the society, and they are men. Men yourself are deciding your future. Sir, I want to tell you about the old era when the women are living in forest area. Men were going for hunting and women are nourishing their child and living in their house and keep saving them. And that rule, yeah. And no. And this rule, no.
And whose life is more riskier? Whose life is more riskier?
You just,
Oh wow!
Wow,
you
really?
want a boy. Wait, you want a man to be the sole breadwinner of a family, and then you are saying boy life is not complicated. What a hypocrisy! Wow! What a hypocrisy!
okay.
I'm also okay.
One point, please. One point. Boys are being depressed because they are not earning. Just one point. And girls are,
What? Boys are being depressed because they are not earning.
yeah, that kind of. And women are being depressed because they are not earning. They are characterless. They are behaviorless. Who said it? Your society. Your society. Your society.
One second.
Boys are judged by only money.
One second. Excuse me. Palak, are you depressed?
Yes.
Yes. Sir, let me complete my point. We are judging a boy by his earnings, but we are judging a girl by character, behavior, earnings. Is that not more complicated? Is that not?
Wait.
You only one.
Sir, I want to also raise one more point. Like, when a boy chooses his career, it is responsibility. Everyone appreciates that. But when a girl chooses her career, everyone says, "What about family?" And this is very crucial topic. Like whenever a girl after marriage come to the in-laws house, if she is saying that I want to do job, every in-law, not every, some in-law will okay with that, कि you can do job, but they are allowing them. The girl has not owned their freedom that she can be this much of that she can make decision by her own. She need a validation of her in-law. Why? I
I'm
want to
sir-
counter this.
Along with this point, we should not ignore. Along with this point, we should not ignore Hamza's point on pregnancy. There is infanticide, feticide. If they find there is a girl in the stomach, they do feticides. They commit feticide.
Sir,
And also, sir, there are also cases of honor killings as well. You know honor killings? You may have know about it. Honor killings.
So, sir,
Girls are being killed. Daughters are being killed by their father for going outside and meeting their male friends. This is just gender killing, if I say that. Yes, please.
So, sir, I would like to answer his question. Hum just feticide or pregnancy. Like, if let's suppose if a woman, he is about to give a birth to a woman, to a girl, then she is supposed to be killed, right? She is killed, of course. I completely, I mean, I can say, I do not like support that, but at the same time, in that situation, who has to handle the pressure?
Mother.
Not mother.
Mother.
Father has
Of
to handle
course.
the pressure.
Mother has to go.
Oh, wait.
Brother.
Fa-
Mother has to go through. First of all, mother has to go through the 9 months of pain. After that, when she gave birth to the child, that child is being killed in front of mother.
Is that not pain?
See, you can't about that pain. It's like natural, okay?
It's natural. Oh my
Of
God!
course. See.
Your child is being killed in front of you.
I'm
That
not
is
talking about-
natural pain.
See.
Oh my God!
I'm not talking about killing. I'm talking about the pregnancy of 9 months.
Why?
Yeah,
Then
it's
why?
natural.
Then why
How
there
can
is
you about
then why
that?
there is female infanticide?
What the hell are you talking about? How
Female
can you
infanticide
about
is
that?
also there.
Boys don't go through.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was. No, I will call you back. I'll call you back. Thank you so much. We have so many speakers here. I would definitely invite you back. Thank you so much. Please, thank you for joining. Please sit down. You will be coming after some time. Yeah, thank you so much for joining here. And